Welcome to my channel, and in this series of videos I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions about investing in precious metals. And one of those is pooled versus allocated storage. Now, these terms come up often when you, as a new or not so new investor in precious metals, are looking to understand the differences between services being offered. So the very first thing I want to do is just give an actual definition of pooled versus allocated. So when we're talking about pooled storage, what that means is that whatever you've invested in is being stored with other people's investments pooled into one combined asset storage. So say, for example, you choose to invest in physical gold with a company and they have on their website that it's pooled storage. What that means is that, say if you purchase 10 gold bars, then in their vault, in just a common area, there are going to be all these gold bars in there that various investors, including yourself, has invested in, or gold coins, whatever you've chosen to invest in, but it's all in one location, and there's not an identity tag on any particular item saying it belongs to you. It just says that you have a right to 10 gold bars within whatever is being stored in pooled storage. Now, what is allocated storage? Allocated storage is the kind of storage where you again have invested in the physical gold or the coins, and it's still being pooled with other positions, but in this case, it has been recorded under your name. So the slight difference here is that there is some commingling, but there's a distinction that there is a record of your name being allocated to a particular amount in physical storage. Okay? Now, what I want to talk about is the type of storage that you don't often hear about, and it's what I call segregated storage. And what segregated storage is where your investment in the physical gold or silver or any other precious metal is segregated from other people's investments. So imagine instead of a huge vault in the first two scenarios where everybody's stuff is put in, some of it labeled, some of it not, in the last scenario where it's segregated, it's almost like everyone has their personal mini deposit box. And so there's a wall of mini doors. And if you chose to invest in 10 bars, 10 bars goes into a deposit box for you, has your name on it, locked away. Next person's, okay? So the difference is that it's clearly segregated into a personal, lockable space for yourself. And often, when a company is offering segregated services, then they offer additional services for your peace of mind. For example, the company that I invest in, they offer for me to come in and physically see their location. They offer to send a video where I can see my gold going into my segregated location. Okay, one other last thing. You know, these terms I find are often misunderstood: pooled, allocated, segregated. And often, some companies use the word allocated when they mean segregated. So what I would highly recommend when you are looking to invest in physical gold or silver or precious metals in your registered accounts is, yes, Google and read their websites and read the reviews, but before you put your money where you've decided call and speak and ask specific questions at that point in time, because companies can change the way they do business, right? So make sure you get clarity personally before initiating your trade about what exactly is going to happen from end to end. I.e., once you place that trade, what's the timeline? What's all the fees involved? Because with certain companies, when they offer segregated storage, there's a whole bunch of other fees involved that may be missed if you don't ask the right questions when you get started or do the right investigations. For example, some companies charge a flat administration fee, while some other companies charge a storage fee plus an insurance fee, right? So you have to make sure you educate yourself fully about what you are getting when you invest with a particular company and what are the costs entailed. So that was of value to you. I enjoy doing these videos. If you have any questions that I haven't answered in a video, or you felt this was unclear and you'd like some other examples, feel free to leave it your questions or comments in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to respond or create a new video answering any other question that I find of value. Thanks for watching.